The Marae renovation project came about following COVID lockdown. After COVID, the government released a whole heap of funding to help stimulate the economy. I guess at that time there was a fair bit of uncertainty around employment and how people were affected during COVID lockdown. First off, we started with our marae and just looked at what actually needs to be done with the marae. I guess through that process it became really evident that our marae were in need of support and were really crucial that we could secure some of the funding. Raukawa looked at a collaborative approach to the project, and again I guess as a result of the time restrictions we basically had about 4 to 5 weeks to pull together a funding application and submit it.
The intentions are still from as they were in the beginning with the word renovation, or renovation to renew or to refurbish or to increase the ability of that particular site to function better, and also to provide a better service for not only its people but also those who use those services as well. And I think if we look at each of our sites, we have achieved that on the 5 that are completed at the moment and 3 which are very nearly completed.
All 16 marae responded. Some of them were in different states of need. Some of them were kei te pai with just doing the landscaping, the aesthetics type of mahi. Some of the others had more urgent needs, I guess, like addressing issues with their whare and the buildings as well. So with those ones we supported them through the funding applications and looked at potential funding streams for them as well. We had a pretty thorough procurement method whereby we prioritise Raukawa businesses, we prioritise businesses where Raukawa whānau were employed, where Māori were employed, we prioritised local business as well. And I guess through that method we were able to get a number of whānau back working on their marae, so it was awesome.
We could think of, say, Whakaara Tamaiti, where they have had new structures. The old ones have been taken down, new ones have been put in. With regard to some of the pai and the oharoa, I'll probably never ever see it again in my life. The whakaaro that was done, just amazing, and it's a credit to both to them and Ngāti Arahuru for those other marae that were affiliated to Whakaara Tamaiti.
There's lots of cool stories to be told through the project, but there's one moment that really stands out for me, and that was the mahi that was done at Rāwhiti. One of the kraua worked for a firm, his son also worked for the firm, and they put a karanga out to the mokopuna to come back and support the process as well. So 3 generations working on the whenua.
Develop that identity, develop that sense of purpose, not in an insular way to say this is us, this is tāpapa, or this is Whakaara Tamaiti, or this is Rauwhiti Roa, but this is us as a people, and it is not just me individually, but how I interact with others and how I can be of benefit to others.
Whakahukia ki tōu kaipo, that's where it's at, that's where we get our sustenance, so ensuring that we're looking after our marae and doing what we can in those spaces.